Life is working for me, never against me. Life is working for me, never against me. Everybody say it together. Life is working. Do that again, shall we? Ah, it's a beautiful day. Life is working for me, never against me. Life is working for me, never against me. Life is working for me, never against me. Everybody, life is working for me, never against me. Life is working for me, never against me. Boom. That's it. That's the mantra for the day. Oh, I feel good. I feel good. Bones are feeling good. Had good sleep. Things are happening. Moving the body, get the music on, move the lymphatic, dance, 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 dance. It's better than going to a spin class. That would be painful. Not unless you're into spin. Disclaimer, free will. Okay, this is a baked sweet potato smoothie and it's extraordinary. All I've done is bake the sweet potato with a bit of salt, no oil, on some baking paper in an oven at around about 180 with the skins on because it's organic till it's soft and cooled down. So soft. Cooled down. Did I say that? I did. A little bit of salt. Straight into the blender. And you know what I do? I keep this paper. I kind of just do that. And I sit it over in my baking section because I use it again. And that's the whole thing. My mum taught me that actually. 1 frozen banana. A quarter of a cup of coconut yogurt. Now this is runny because it's been sitting out, okay? Perfect. Like that. Oh my God, it's so good. A little bit of nut butter. So I've got some peanut butter here. And I want about a tablespoon. It's just delicious, this stuff. It's so thick. Okay, what else do we need? Oh, we need cinnamon. Yeah, cinnamon, 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 where are you? Are we over there? No, we're not over there. We're over here. You're hilarious. Just a splash, right? When I mean a splash, like a little shake, that's enough. Okay, one more. Salt was already on the sweet potato when we baked it, remember? Yeah. Ice, loads of it. 2 big handfuls. And we need water. I start with always a quarter of a cup. And then I want some maple. You can use dates. I would add 2 in at a time and taste, but I'm gonna add a good splash of maple. Yum, I could just drink this stuff all day long. It's my preferred sweetener. For me and my body, you work out what's good for you. Coconut sugar, dates, honey, whatever is your thing. Okay, and now we're gonna blend. Oh, I'm excited about this. All right. I love it how it just stops, right? You just put it on and it just does its thing. I just love that. All right, let's taste it. Let's taste it and see where we're at. To see if we have enough sweetener in there, Cynthia. To see if you've got enough sweetener in yours. Oh my God, that's amazing. Okay, there's a big chunk of ice in there. I need to blend it a little bit more. Okay, this is good. This is so interesting. I'm smiling because I feel like everything's working for me. And when you make something that makes you smile and it's delicious, everything's working for you. Okay, are you ready? Now remember when you're drinking these, don't just like drink them all at once. Just settle, drink a little bit at a time, have water, walk around the house, do your thing, then have another little bit. Okay, it's really important you remember that. I see a lot of people on Instagram just sculling down smoothies. It's like, no way. Like slowly, slowly. Look at the color of this. last bits out. Put it on. We are done. See you in the next video. This is unbelievable. I honestly can't tell you how delicious. I'm not going to sink it down like a crazy person because I can't, because it would just be too much. So little bit, just having a break. I'm chilling out. I'm reading a book. This is a great book. It's a really great book. This amazing chef. I don't know whether you've heard of her before, but she's pretty cool. So I'm reading this book. And I'm also just in my little spot where I have like my jewelry and bits and pieces, and check this out, check this piece out. This beautiful ring, on the back of it says, "You are loved." And I think that's just beautiful. And this one is even gorgeouser. Check this out, which is so fitting for us in this cleanse, one day at a time. And I just love that they're there in my world. Oh, this is the thing. I want to keep drinking it, but I know I need to take step by step. No, a good half an hour, I reckon, to have a smoothie. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video.